Meaning of fireball.
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 Fireball. Fireball refers to a ball of fire that is spherical in shape. It is usually created due to the explosion of a combustible material, such as gasoline or gunpowder. The resulting explosion from the fireball can cause significant damage to its surroundings and poses a serious threat to human life. Fireballs are often seen in natural phenomena like meteorites entering the Earth's atmosphere or in volcanic eruptions. In short, fireballs are a dangerous and destructive force of nature that should be taken seriously.